Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing amazing. I've been so busy lately trying to get things prepared. My little boy's birthday coming up on Wednesday, so I've just been organising everything. But yeah guys, I'm just come on here just to say hello, and I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support on my website. It means so much to me, and yeah, I've had some really great feedbacks from you guys, so thank you so much. Say hello. I'm gonna say hello to the camera. So as you know guys, he is wearing this cute outfit from Next. This is from Next, and I got a 3 to 4 years old size. But yeah guys, super cute. It's a bit too big on him at the moment. Super cute on him. Say hello. He is so obsessed with this game guys. So he doesn't go on it all the time, just when he's a good boy he can go on it. But yeah, it does have a few educational things on there, but right now he's actually just playing on like a little choo-choo train game, aren't you, Babs? Hey? You gonna smile for the camera? Oh, you got a bit of lipstick on you. I'm sorry. So anyway guys, today is all about just cleaning, tidying up. I am having family round, so that is what's happening. So yeah guys, that is literally what I'm doing today. Clean. I don't know what I'm going to make, but I do have cod fillets. Sounds yummy. So, but yeah, I quite like this, so that's what I'm going to have. And I might have a bit of sweet potatoes. So I have sweet potatoes. I have a couple of like sweet potatoes, so I tend to keep all my veg here. And but yeah, love the sweet potatoes. Okay guys, so here I'm sharing you my little boy's birthday celebration decorations that I can't wait to share with you guys. So yeah, his birthday is on Wednesday and I can't wait to decorate his nice theme. So I went for a jungle theme that he really likes. So last year he had a car racing theme. So this year is going to be a super cute jungle one. So I can't wait to share with you guys. So yeah, so I've got some nice cute plastic plates. So these are all from Amazon. And yeah, definitely it's super cute. It's got like nice straws. We have some plastic cups, cute napkins, another little small mini plates, and a cute banner. And this is also, I've got this separate too, so this is more one of the cake topper that can be placed on the cake. So that's super cute. And I have a backdrop. So that's like a nice big jungle theme that I will put up. And this one, what's this one? It is a tablecloth. So yeah, I can't wait to put these up together. Can't wait to put them all together. And I also got some of these. I thought these are super cute for little party bags after when the guests leave. So yeah, as you can see, this one, it's a nice cardboard one. And how cute are these guys? It's got a thank you sticker to put on. So I thought that's super cute. And then also I got some party fillers. How cute. That will add into the little bag. So yeah, super cute. I can't wait to put it all together guys. So yeah, that will be for his birthday. this is my hubby. He loves to check himself in the mirror. So yeah, my hubby is going to the shop, looking sharp. Are you going to the shop? Yep.
Yep. See you later.
Bye. So I have just made sourdough toast with avocado and egg. My favourite, guys. I love this one. Perfect for lunch or breakfast, but yeah, love it, guys. So as you know, I have the ingredients all on my website. Definitely check it out. And this is personally how I make it, to be honest. I usually add tomatoes and onions in it, but this time I didn't, so I just want to have a quick snack. But yeah, guys, love it. Like, this is all I have, guys. I love sourdough toast. How are you, babe? Are you tired? He is tired, guys. Are you tired today? Sorry, guys. I've just literally just finished my food. Are you gonna take a nap later? Yeah. He is very tired, guys. He woke up super early. He tends to wake me up around 8 o'clock. Well, it's not too early, but you like to sleep in, don't you? Are you gonna say hello to the camera? Hey? You making that face? He is tired. Are you tired? Are you gonna say hello to everyone? Yeah? Are you gonna say hello to everyone? Hey? My big guy, oh my god. You're super heavy. I can't carry you like this soon. You're 10 and 3 and you're getting to a big boy. What are we gonna do today? Are we gonna play? Yeah, guys, he is super tired, so I will catch you all, guys, later, and I'll see you in a moment. So I'm about to show you these candles that I'm loving. So this is from TK Maxx Natural Home Sand and Fog. I really love the lavender. So this is made with essential oils, and this smells super cute, and it costs $8.99 for this one. So I've not used it yet, but it smells really nice. So, and I just love how it's got like the little details on here and the wood. So yeah, that'll be perfect in my living room. I've also been using these ones I got from my birthday, which is super cute. This is the orchid and the sandalwood. Absolutely love it. As you could see, it's nearly all gone. But yeah, this is the slow burner. This is really nice. Not too strong, but it's just really nice and subtle. So yeah, but new candles on the way. Love my candles, so I've got to get more candles. So yeah, all today is just about chilling. Hey. He's still on your little game. Still on his little game, guys. So I hope you're all doing well. Hope you all have an amazing week today. It's been really sunny. Very nice, but cold. Jordan. He's just like dancing up and down right now. As you can see, dancing up and down. So, yeah, so today's all about chilling, and I am just about to go on my laptop. And if you haven't checked out my new website, guys, go and check it out. It's got everything on there, from recipes, motherhood, music, fashion, beauty. But yeah, I'm loving my new website right now. I've had some really great comments about it. You're all loving the recipes. I've had some very good positive feedbacks from you all, so thank you so much for the love and support. It means a lot to me. So yeah, guys, so today I'm about to end the vlog because I am waiting for my family to come round. And what is my little one doing with my jeans? Excuse me. He's got my jeans, guys. I do need to put my jeans on. So right now I'm wearing my nice sweater from Primark, but the pants is not matching right now, guys. So I am wearing PJ pants at the moment. Bit of a lazy one, but I am about to put my jeans on. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy the vlog and I hope you all have an amazing week, and I will catch you all on my next video. Bye guys.